guys, we actually, as a family, we going to the bird paradise. Last time they call it bird park, so this is bird paradise, okay? See you guys. So, roughly, this is how Singapore culture, Singapore style of actually, as a family, we're traveling using a public transport. It's so convenient, cheap, and I can say efficient. You just plan your time if you want to be there early or on time, because like mass rapid transit, or I call it MRT, or actually public buses, they have timing, they already give you, unless there's an emergency or maybe traffic very bad, then it might delay your trip. But other than that, everything is so perfect. Jalan highway ya kan. Okay, come, all the kids take photo there. This is the bird paradise, they call it. They actually from Jurong Bird Park, they changed to Bird Paradise and now located at Mandai. So this is my first time that I came here. They have all kinds of birds collection, including penguins, ostrich. As long as they are bird family, you'll see. I'm still exploring. They just put the bird in the wild. They put some food. The bird might come back to eat. See, like one of them here, they look like burung tekuko, but you see that? Can you guys see? This is the bird. They're actually wild. They don't even have a string or whatever on their leg, or actually they are not attached. So this is the other one that I like. See that? I like this. They are so colorful. I think this is the emu family. Nobody can sit. Kasih aja Sam. Where have you been? Tengok. Already half day and almost everyone feel hungry right now. Not only hungry, 1 more hour I'll become angry. Alright, so we're going to watch the 12:30 show. They call it the world wing of world. Kat sini semua orang berbual world lah. Okay, you just be prepared. So we just go down there 25 minutes early just to get a good comfortable seat because 14 of us. We're gonna update to you whatever things that are gonna happen here, okay? Stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe.
Wait, is it expensive? No, right?
Aku nak minta korang boleh, kamu nak video bayar korang 100. Squirrel kan you dah pernah nampak kat Singapura banyak. Sini, mari. There's so many birds and then now we're on our last track and so beautiful. I cannot show you everything. If I show you everything then you don't want to come. Hey, stop. So, all the birds collection I think is wow, it's fantastic. Some of them are really nice, big, small, of the rock, colorful and very clever. I try to put in this video as much as possible.